this Microsoft Excel basic series, I have been posting the video with the concept references C-001, C-002 like this. Now, what is C-001 is about what is Microsoft Excel as a simple video on that. And what is C-002? How to create, save, close, and open a new Excel workbook. That's what you have seen here. Now, C-003, C-004, if you see here, there is slight difference in this. C-003 and C-004 are talking about the saving the file with the .xlsx as the extension and .xlsm as the extension. .xlsx as the extension means it's a normal Excel file which will not be useful for you to create any automation. Whereas .xlsm is which is going to be used for automation purpose. Okay. So, but by mistake, if you are creating automation and then saving it as xlsx, all the automation process code will be erased in this. So be careful in that. But what is the benefit of going for xlsx as a simple Excel file instead of xlsm, which is for automation? So xlsx is a simple file and you'll be writing whatever data is required, formatting everything without going for any automation. You don't want any repetitive activity to be taken care. Then save this file as a simple xlsx file, which will save the space. If you want to go for automation, you have to create some macro or VB code. VB means Visual Basic for Applications. That code writing, everything is required for automation purpose. So if you save this as an automation purpose file, then it will occupy more space. But you can just think about now, if your file is very simple file, you don't want to go for automation, why should I go for this saving the file as .xlsm and occupy more space? So that purpose only, for that purpose only, we are going to save this as ordinary xlsx file. Okay. So now we are just going to see here now, this is the concept here. So I'm going to File Explorer to see the file what we have created during our concept reference C-002. So here, straight away, I'm selecting here this particular file and I'm just opening it. Open, it is opening here. Right? Now this is the data we have already seen here. Now I just want to save this file as save as. Click on this, browse, and this save as type you are seeing here, Excel workbook is the ordinary type file. So this is for .xlsx. So now I want to change this file name as C-002 sales data. Okay. So very carefully save this as normal Excel workbook so that your file size is very small and it is occupying only very less space and not more space. Okay, so there are other options. If I click on this, the topmost one is by default Excel workbook, which is an ordinary Excel file for .xlsx as the file extension. And Excel macro enabled one is the, which is going to be useful when you create automation. Let us say for a particular task, you are having 10 activities. All these 10 activities, you don't want to do the all 10 activities for the second time. Only for the first time you want to do it, and you are leaving the decision to the computer to record it. And when you follow some pressing the button, the computer has to do all the 10 activities by taking very less amount of time. So at that time only you have to save this as Excel macro enabled workbook. So I want to keep this as a normal Excel workbook here. So the file name is changed as C-002-sales data, save here. Right? So this is how this particular concept is being explained here. Any doubt, any clarification, please put it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel DPAB, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon button and click all. Why you have to click all means because whenever I'm posting some new videos, you'll be getting the notification. And you can just go and look into that video and learn from that. If you want to subscribe my channel, and you should be going through this YouTube, no, when you are finding that you are not able to subscribe, it is asking you to sign in. So at that time, you have to create one Google mail ID, Gmail. It is called as Gmail. Gmail ID created. Go to YouTube, sign in. Then You can just watch any videos like our people are putting. You can just watch it and then subscribe. Then click the bell icon button, click the all button there, then press the like button, and you will be able to write the comment also. And you can share this particular video to any of your friends also. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.